doctor go down the path where the murder weapon was discovered. The defense would press
Spencer and Ziggy.
The whole left side of his body is exposed. Didn't see them.
You didn't see him with a 2-pound
Spencer and Ziggy.
No.
And this is an object that you never saw that day. Is that fair to say?
Okay, go into the living room.
Ziggy, let's go. Let's go. Ziggy, let's go. Good boy.
You don't cut $30-some million out of state government in a year and not have some
Right.
impact on education.
That's Ziggy.
Now walk aggressively over to him, Brandon.
And public schools carry one of the biggest price tags in the state budget, about $1 billion. Bowen says the situation isn't ideal, but urges critics to take a look at the big.
He's actually more of a barker for attention than he is to hurt anyone. There we go. He's doing well. What do you think, Zig?
But NEA President Lois Gilby-Chesney says that she looks at the picture she sees school housing that's been gradually chiseled through an overall attack on public schools.
Your owner's going to be so happy, Zig.